Welcome to Definitions, Part 5. In this video we will continue to define common terms from the automotive hobby, using examples from our extensive library of visual content. These terms have been used on car lots, in auto parts stores, garages, racetracks, car shows, cruise-ins, and anywhere motor vehicles are found. Photos used are from Saturday night cruise-ins hosted by the Hamblen County Car Club in Morristown, Tennessee. Most of these photographs were taken by our club photographer Chantal Combs. Let's get started. A fleet side is a type of pickup truck bed style where the wheel wells are contained in the bed. This offers the largest bed capacity. A step side is a type of pickup truck bed style where the wheel wells are contained outside the bed. While this cuts down capacity, it adds to the style. A running board is the metal strip running between the fenders and below the doors of early autos and trucks, used as a step, or to wipe one's feet, before entering the vehicle. Step plates are pads mounted on running boards, or fenders, to keep the paint or rubber matting from becoming scratched or dirty. A square body refers to the body style of pickup trucks between 1973 and 1987. When a spare tire is recessed into the front fender, it is called a side mount. Note that the Model A Fords, from 1928 to 1931, are referred to as an A-bone. A dually is a nickname for a heavy-duty pickup truck with two rear wheels on each side. A bucket is a fenderless, topless, highly modified hot rod with a Ford Model T body. Buckets are also called T-buckets. Most T-buckets on the road today are kit cars or replicas. A post, or pillar, is located between the windshield and the door, the front and rear doors, or the rear door and rear window. The A-pillar is the side windshield post on most cars. A wing window is a window most often found on older vehicles on the front doors. It is a small piece of glass in front of, and separate from, the main window. Set on hinges, it rotates inward for ventilation. It is also known as a vent window, or a fly window. The B-pillar is the post between the front and back seat areas on cars. Some, but not all hardtop models have this removed. The C-pillar is the rear pillar of the roof support structure. Quarter glass is a window on the side of a car between the C-post and the back window. A hardtop is a body designed for metal roof cars that, in the case of a two-door model, typically eliminates the B-pillar. A fastback is a car design where the roofline continues in a single curve from the windshield to the rear bumper. A convertible is an open-top car with a folding roof and side windows. A hood is the area covering the engine compartment on American cars. The hood is called a bonnet in Europe. A carburetor is the device that mixes and delivers the proper amount of air and gasoline to the engine. It can also be referred to as a jug. A 4-barrel carburetor is a carburetor with 4 mixing chambers. A dual quad refers to the use of two 4-barrel carburetors. A 2-barrel carburetor is a carburetor with 2 mixing chambers. 3 deuces describes the arrangement of 3 2-barrel carburetors. This arrangement is also called a 6-pack or tri-power. Stacks is short for velocity stacks, which are used on carbureted and fuel-injected engines. There you have it. That is all the definitions we can fit into a 5-minute video format. We presented terms from carburetor, brand/model, body style, body, wheels, and glass categories. How many did you know? We are not finished yet. Stay tuned for definitions, part 6.